Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to add a website in Hostinger step by step using the latest 2025 hPanel interface. Whether you're setting up your first website or launching a new project, this guide will help you do it fast and easily. So stay tuned till the end because I'll also share a few pro tips to make your setup smoother. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to hostinger.com. If you already have a Hostinger account, click the Post Login button at the top right and sign in. If you're new to Hostinger, don't worry. Just click Sign Up and create a new account. It only takes a minute. Once you log in, you'll land inside the Hostinger hPanel, which is your main control center. Think of the hPanel as your all-in-one dashboard. This is where you'll manage websites, domains, emails, and everything else related to your hosting. Now, let's add a new website. In the hPanel, find the key Websites section and click Add Website. Here, Hostinger will ask for a few basic details, like your website name and domain. If you already have a domain registered elsewhere, simply connect it here. But if you don't, Hostinger gives you the option to buy a new domain directly from them. It's quick and fully integrated, so you won't have to deal with complex DNS settings later. After entering your domain details, you'll see a few setup options. For beginners, I highly recommend using the Hostinger Website Builder. It's a drag and drop builder that makes creating a professional website super easy, no coding required. Once you launch the builder, choose a template that fits your brand or business. Hostinger offers tons of modern and responsive templates, so pick one that feels right for your project. From there, start customizing. You can add your logo, update text, change colors, and drag in new elements like images, buttons, or contact forms. Take your time here. This is where your website starts taking shape. And remember, you can preview your website anytime before publishing. This helps you check how everything looks across desktop and mobile devices. And that's it. You've successfully added a new website to Hostinger. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical website tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.